Hello everybody and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do another unboxing. This is my one of my stash or my purchase from the AliExpress summer sale. Yep, I don't normally purchase a lot of watch from AliExpress, but yeah, there was a summer sale and I was like, okay, why not try this? Okay, so as you can see, this is an Addiesdive watch. So it's my first Addiesdive watch. Yeah, I think they make a lot of homages, maybe like, you know, Seiko's or something else. But when I looked at the picture of this watch, it doesn't strike me that this model is an homage to something. Maybe it is, maybe it's of something old or some newer models which I'm not aware of. But yeah, one of the main reasons I got it is that it's not like an homage. Okay, so this is the watch. What do we have here? We have a bracelet tool, but there is no hammer or mallet for you to push out the pins on that bracelet sizing tool, but it's better than nothing. And we have a blank warranty card, and this is the user manual. All right, put everything to the side and we'll look at the watch. Well, this is by no means a small watch. I think it's stated like 40 millimeters, but you know, from the design and all that, it's a chunky watch. One thing that you know, deterred me from buying these AliExpress watches is that they are really super duper big, in my opinion. You know, some they go up to 46 millimeters, 44 millimeters. The smallest I can find on some of this, like, you know, AliExpress brand is like what, 42, which is, to me, it's big. But you know, it's not a problem for healthy people or first world people with large wrists, but it's a problem for malnourished kids like me. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna take off some stickers and we're gonna take a closer look on the watch. Okay, so this is the watch. Well, as you can see, it has a huge dome sapphire crystal. I'm guessing it's sapphire. And it comes with a textured tile. Let me just try to turn off some ring light. Hopefully, you will have less of a reflection. Well, yep, the dial is quite decent. It has like a matte textured dial. Let's play around with the bezel for a quick one here. The bezel action, yep, it's surprisingly good. It doesn't feel teeny, it doesn't feel, you know, hollowy, and yeah, there is almost no backlash. Good impression. So let's try to, is it a signed crown? No, it's an unsigned crown. So why don't we just try to give the watch a wind? Yep, winding seems smooth. Okay. Second position is for us to set the time. So let's see if the date mechanism is working. Yep, it's working quite nice here. And let's see if I can manually change the date. Yep. Okay. So everything seems to be in good order here. Yep. So yeah, I think it's to me it's a good looking watch. You know, at least to me, it looks like an original design, not some homage. I believe so. Maybe it's an homage which I'm not aware of, but yeah, And the anti-reflective coating on that dome sapphire crystal is really playing around with my ring light here. You can see the reflection dancing all around. Legibility, I would say through the naked eye, is quite okay. It's because of that dome nature, it tends to be a little reflective, but it's still okay. It's still okay. Unsigned crown, however. The case, it's entirely brushed. Okay, there is no polishing, or maybe there is. No, and it has a feel of like those twisted luck from Omega, you know. Yeah. Yeah, one thing I'm not a fan of is the bracelet, because of that high polish mix section, and also that male type of ending where you have that center portion jutting out, you know. The bracelet, it feels kind of light. I'm not sure if those are, I don't know, I'm not sure if they are really solid links, because yep, they feel kind of light to me. But at least the bracelet comes with solid end links, which is, I would say, much better than what I expect. Finishing, okay, there they can be better. As you can see, you know, some finishing on that end link. The clasp is just a generic, you know, stamp metal clasp, nothing fancy. Do we have a diverse extension? Nope. But at least we have 3 micro adjustment position, and it comes with a flip lock and safety deployment buckle. There is no branding on the clasp, which is a shame here. I thought, you know, they can do something better, but you know, for the price, I think it's still okay. The case back, I don't know, it's quite good for the money. Right, it's not too shabby really. They have like a diver's goggles or something like that, and they have 2, what do you call that, I don't know, harpoon guns. Yep. And this watch, let's see, it's rated for 200 meters of water resistance, and everything on the dial is printed, and they have like a custody dial for that old radium look. And on the bezel, let's try to get a little closer. Oops, I'm seeing a defect here. Yep, there is a defect on that bezel, unfortunately. Okay. Well, yep, this is what happens, you know, when you get things from AliExpress, you know. Yeah, it's a bad thing. I think because this one is a ceramic. Is it a ceramic bezel? Oh, yeah, here's another one. Well, that's bad, man. That's bad. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. What is wrong with this bezel? Let me take something to wipe it off. Let's see. Oh, no. That bezel is horrible, man. Whoa, what the heck, man? Yeah, people have been praising this Addiesdive like they are like so good, but hey, seems like I'm getting a lemon. Well, maybe it's not all that bad, you know. I think this one I got it for like what, 100, 150, 120. I cannot remember. There was a sale. I think it was like 100, 120, 150 something. So yeah. Well, the thing is that I got a San Martin from AliExpress that I'm really happy with that finishing. The quality is quite good, so I thought, okay, why not try with something a little more affordable, and you know, a little more compact, that is maybe a much more original design. But really, man, I'm a little disappointed. Yep. Okay, let's quickly put this on the wrist. I'm not gonna resize the bracelet, you know, but I'm just gonna quickly put it on the wrist to see how it looks. Okay, so I've swapped out the bracelet and put on a leather strap. So this one, it's a good leather strap from Strapsco. I think it's their so-called vintage leather. I've been liking this vintage leather for quite some time, and I've been wearing this on and off in a lot of my other watches. But I think it, you know, it looks great with the watch, especially with that vintage appeal. And let's put it on the wrist. This makes the watch see, I've been wearing it for a while, but I purposely take it off to show you guys. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks on my small wrist. Yep, I would say on the leather with that without the protruding end links, I think the watch still looks okay, not too bad. It's a big watch, but you know, it's still okay. Well, I'm a AliExpress affiliate, so if you are interested to try your luck on this watch, you know, maybe you will have a better luck than me and not getting a bezel that is chipped off. You can, you know, click the link and browse their watches. You know, you can buy some of their other watches, which other YouTubers are praising them. So maybe that would be a better option than this one. I'm not sure, or maybe this is just a lemon that I'm unlucky. But anyway, yeah, just to be very clear and very frank, I'm an AliExpress affiliate, so I'll put links down in the description box below. If you decided to make any purchase, I will get some commission, not a lot, but you don't have to pay anything extra. That's it. So yeah, okay, catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.